Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Personal Hotspot on iOS 26. To enable the Personal Hotspot, go to the settings. Then, in the settings you'll have the Personal Hotspot button. Now you can simply enable it. Feel free to also change the Wi-Fi password if you need it. I'm actually gonna go back. And now on my other device, as I go to the settings, I can just get to the Wi-Fi and now find the device in Personal Hotspot. You can see I have it right here, and because I'm logged into the same iCloud account, it also shows me like the battery percentage, and it won't ask me for the password, so maybe I'll just get a different device. And as we can see right here, if I go to the Wi-Fi, I'll see the phone in a moment right here, and now all I need to do is enter the password. I wasn't able to join it for some reason, so let's turn the hotspot off and turn it on. It should typically work, honestly. I'm also gonna turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on. Okay, because I have that network remembered and it probably had a different password, and that's why I wasn't able to join it. So let's try again. Just click on join. Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Personal Hotspot on iOS 26. To do it, all you need to do is go to the settings. Now, find Personal Hotspot right below the mobile service. Now, enable Allow Others to Join, and feel free to change the password to the hotspot if you wish. Now it should appear on my other device in the available Wi-Fi networks, and if it doesn't, then I can just disable and enable back again the Wi-Fi. But as I can see, it's here. Let's just type the password in. Is it right? I think it's right. And you can see it works. And that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.